today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. A little tired, but good.
Tired? Why?
I woke up early today. I had to go to an appointment. I used Uber to go there.
Oh, you used Uber this morning?
Yes, I did.
Nice. Actually, today's topic is perfect for that. Today we talk about using Uber or Lyft.
Great. I need this topic. I use Uber a lot.
Good. But before we start, let's warm up. Leo, what did you have for breakfast?
I had some bread and cheese. And coffee.
Bread, cheese, and coffee. Sounds simple and good. Okay, let's begin our topic. Using Uber or Lyft.
Yes. Let's do it.
First, I want to say the words Uber and Lyft. These are popular ride apps. A ride app helps you get a car with a driver. You can say, I need an Uber, or I want to call a Lyft.
So I can say, I need an Uber.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I need an Uber.
I need an Uber.
Good. Again, I need an Uber.
I need an Uber.
Great. Now repeat. I want to call a Lyft.
I want to call a Lyft.
Nice. One more time.
I want to call a Lyft.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the steps. When you want a ride, you open the app. You choose your pickup location. Pickup location means the place where the driver will meet you.
Pickup location.
Yes. Repeat. Pickup location.
Pickup location.
Good. Now we also have drop-off location. That is where you want to go.
Drop-off location.
Right. So you choose your pickup location and your drop-off location. Then you confirm the ride.
Confirm the ride.
Exactly. Now let's practice. Leo, pretend you want to go to the mall. What is your pickup location?
My pickup location is my home.
Good. And what is your drop-off location?
The mall.
Perfect. Now let's teach a useful sentence. Can you pick me up here? Repeat after me.
Can you pick me up here?
Again.
Can you pick me up here?
Good. Another useful sentence is, how long will it take? This is for asking about time.
How long will it take?
Nice. One more time.
How long will it take?
Perfect. And when the driver arrives, you can say, Hi, are you here for Leo? Or, Hi, are you my driver?
Are you here for Leo?
Good. And now, are you my driver?
Are you my driver?
Great. Sometimes the driver asks, What is your name? Or, Can you confirm your name? You can say, My name is Leo.
My name is Leo.
Good. Now let's add more. When you get in the car, you can say, Thank you. When you leave the car, you can say, Thanks. Have a good day.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Perfect. Now let's do a small role play. I will be the driver. You are the passenger.
Okay.
I arrive at your location. I say, Hi, are you Leo?
Yes, I'm Leo. Are you my driver?
Yes. Please get in.
Thank you.
Where are you going today?
I am going to the mall.
Great. We will be there in 10 minutes.
Thank you.
And now we arrive. We are here.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Perfect. That was a great practice.
Thank you, Emma. It is easy when we practice slowly.
Yes, slow and simple is good for beginners. Now let's teach a few more useful words. One word is fare. Fare means the price for the ride.
Fare.
Yes. Repeat again.
Fare.
Good. Another word is driver rating. This means the stars a driver has.
Driver rating.
Nice. And one more. Wait time. Wait time means how long you wait for the car.
Wait time.
Perfect. Now I'll ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Question 1. How do you call a car using Uber?
I open the app and choose pickup and drop-off locations.
Very good. Question 2. What do you say when the driver arrives?
I say, Hi, are you here for Leo? Or, Are you my driver?
Excellent. Question 3. What do you say when you leave the car?
I say, Thanks. Have a good day.
Perfect. Now let's do a small listening practice for our listeners. Dear listener, repeat after me slowly. Ready? I need an Uber. I want to call a Lyft. What is the wait time? Are you my driver? My pickup location is here. Take me to the mall. Good job, listener. Practicing simple sentences helps a lot.
Yes, it really helps. When I practice, I feel more confident.
Exactly. Confidence grows with practice. Now let's review today's lesson before we finish.
Yes, let's review.
Today we talked about using Uber or Lyft. We learned pickup location, drop-off location, confirm the ride, and sentences like, I need an Uber. Are you my driver? And how long will it take?
And also fare, driver rating, and wait time.
Yes, very good. So listeners, practice these sentences when you can. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and repeat many times.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.